Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this session, we are going to learn something very interesting in Artist Lab. So what we are going to learn today is not only related to Artist Lab, it is a little bit related to mathematics as well. Don't worry, it's not very complicated, and the way we do it here, you all are going to enjoy a lot. So basically, we are going to have a lot of fun in Artist Lab with geometric shapes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open a new project in Artist Lab. Here I have a new project in Artist Lab. I will rename it. Let me rename it as fun with geometric shapes. Okay, I save it. All of you know how to create a rectangle, right? So everybody quickly create a rectangle. I am here creating a rectangle of 100 pixels, and we know it's 90 degrees. And then we know because a rectangle has got 4 sides, we will have to loop it 4 times. Okay, very simple. It created my rectangle. It is, coming a little bit odd. It is shifted towards down and right. So I would like to recenter it. I will use this command, jump to 0 over 0 down. So basically, hey, how this works. How this 0 over 0 down works, let me show you. This is our screen. Okay, this entire screen. This is 400 pixels and this is also 400 pixels. Okay, and here this is 0 and 0. Okay, as we go here, okay, as we go here in this direction, as we go, it is x-axis or x coordinate, or as we go down here, it is y coordinate. Okay, so when we say here jump to 0 over 0 down, so it, the artist has actually jumped to 0 0 position. I want this square to be shifted in the middle, so maybe somewhere here. So what I will do, I will try instead of 0 0, let me try 100 over and 100 down, and let's see if it is where I want it. No, maybe I want it a little bit towards right more. So I will try now 150. So 150 over and 150 down. 150 and 150. Yes, it now looks to be in perfect middle. So here we have a square created, nothing new, all of you know it. Now what I'm going to tell you is going to be new thing for you guys. Fine. Okay, tell me one thing. How many sides a triangle have? How many sides a triangle have? A triangle has got 3 sides, right? A triangle has got 3 sides. Okay, now I am giving you a magic number, that is 360. Our triangle has got 3 sides. Okay, here what I need to do, 3 times, because I want to create a triangle. We will not do any changes in the code. We will just play with the how many times the loop should go and what should be the angle, how many degrees this artist should take a turn. Only these are the 2 parameters, 2 things here that we will change. Okay, so we know one thing, my triangle has got 3 sides, so of course this loop has to be 3 times. Okay, we want 3 lines. Now this is 90 degrees, so this is not looking good, but how many degrees here should it be? I know that all of you try the trial and error like this, and sometimes it creates a triangle by chance like this. Yeah, but now we do not want to go with any guesswork. We want to go with the proper understanding. So I told you the magic number, that is 360. Okay, 360, and the triangle has got 3 sides. Okay, what is 360 divided by 3? 360 divided by 3. What is 360 divided by 3? It is 120. So what will be my angle here? It will be 120. Voila, it created a triangle. If you want upward, you will have to take a left turn, and right will create a downwards, which is absolutely fine. Next, if you want to create a pentagon, this is 3, 4 means a square that we have already created. Now 5. If you want to create a pentagon, okay, so this, you know one thing, 5 times. Now this 5 multiplied by whatever number we type here has to be 360. It means if it has got 5 sides, it means a pentagon, okay, 5 sides. How many degrees this artist should take a turn? 360 divided by what? Number of sides. How many number of sides? 5 here. So what I am doing? 360 divided by 5, it gives me 72. So what I will do here, I will just type here 72 degrees and it created a pentagon for me. Okay, this is precisely because when we add on the external angles of any regular shape, okay, it always adds on to 360 degrees. Okay, if you didn't understand this statement, forget it. For now, just remember this degrees multiplied by how many times this loop is running should be 360, and you will have a perfect regular shape. 6. Okay, now if I want to create a hexagon, how many sides a hexagon has got? 6. Okay, so what is my magic number? 360 divided by 6, it gives us 60. Yeah, so instead of 72 here, I will type 60. We have a hexagon. If you want to reposition it, if you think it is not in the center, you can always change it from here. Okay, you can see, you can change these numbers to see how you want to make sure that it is coming in center. But yeah, that you can keep on doing later on. Okay, so we have this hexagon as well. Now let me show you octagon. How many sides on an octagon have? 8 sides. Okay, again my magic number is 360. I will divide it by 8 and 45. So how many times this loop should repeat? How many lines we want? We want 8 lines. Okay, and here it should be 45. It created an octagon. Okay, similarly 10 times 36 degree created a decagon. Isn't it easy? Okay, very good. I hope all of you enjoyed this session. What next? We have created most of the regular shapes. What about circle? How do we draw a circle in Artist Lab? How many sides a circle have? Tricky question, right? Circle do not have any sides. So what do we do? But we know the entire circle makes a 360 degree turns. So we will repeat this 360 times. Okay. The trick is here is degrees. Okay. Now again, because times multiplied by degree has to be 360. So I made it 1 degree. It is 100 pixels. So actually it is creating a circle, but that circle is too big to be seen as a circle here. So I will reduce this. For now, let me reduce it to 1 pixel and see. It is a circle in front of you. So what did we do? What this artist is doing here is moving forward 1 pixel, taking a 1 degree turn, and then again moving forward 1 pixel. So this is what we exactly do, right? When we are actually trying to create a circle, what do we do? This and then turn, again, turn, again, turn, again a small line, turn, again a small line. This is how we create a circle. Similarly, in the same way, we have also created the circle here. So we created a circle here. Wasn't it easy? Now the circle is too big. When we are giving here 1 pixel, this seems to be really big. We would like, if in case we want a smaller circle, what do we do? What we will have to do, just make it simple. Nobody is stopping you to give a decimal value here. You can give a decimal value here. You can make it 0.25. You can make it even 1. If you want a small, very small circle, you can make it 0.05 as you wish. Okay, so nobody is stopping you to give a decimal number here in pixels so that you can create a smaller circle as well. Now, next thing, here we talk about a circle. What about an arc? What is an arc? What is an arc? An arc is nothing but any portion of the circle. So say, for example, we have this circle. Okay. If I want only this much, it becomes an arc. So for example, if we want to draw a caterpillar, so maybe the face is a complete circle, but the next one, which we will draw something like this, is not a complete circle. Third one is also not a complete circle. Fourth one may also not be a complete circle, right? So they are called arc. Something which is not a complete circle, but is a part of circumference of the circle is called an arc. So if we want to create an arc, what we will do? Simply, instead of repeating it 360 times, because we do not want to create a complete circle, we will repeat it as many times, we want to create the part of the circle. Here, when I repeated 180 times, it creates a semicircle for me. If I say, for example, give it 250, it creates a bigger one. Okay, so when you are doing the drawings, when you are coding for your drawings, this is how you can code for your circle, and this is how you can code for your arcs, and this is how we also see how you can create many regular shapes. So I hope you had a lot of fun. You learned a lot about the regular shapes, not only how to code them, but you also understand how many lines they have and other geometrical facts about them. You learn how to draw a circle and how to draw an arc. See you soon in the next video, where we will use all these tricks and we will try to create something amazing.